What is going on? Quick little video for you. I'm going to show you guys how to throw in wiper blades. And this is going to be for the Saturn, but it's going to go for pretty much a lot of cars. They're all similar, and should be able to do it yourself pretty quickly. Some cars will run 2 different blades, and as you can see, this one was starting to tear pretty badly, and we'll go ahead and get started and show you how to change them. As you can see, there is a little tab right here on these ones, and you're gonna, let me see if I can get my hand in here better. I'm gonna push it and push it in to unlock it, kind of pull it down. Sorry, hard to do this one-handed. See if I can set you up somehow. So that was actually a little bit backwards. Let me show you on the other one, now that I know how they come apart. Different manufacturers have different ways of going on, but they are all similar enough. As you can see, this one is pretty bad too. Besides them ripping like this, they'll also start to streak when they're getting pretty low. So on these ones, this tab you got to pull outward and then unlock them. So these are junk. Open up the new ones. There's a whole bunch of different clips for different cars, but these ones be the same way. They just snap back in tight. These actually got a little plastic guard on them from shipping. So there we go. There's one. There's 2. Normally the shorter side is always the passenger, but some cars are the same, some cars are a little different. Clicked in there, it's not coming out. Pull that off. There we go. Nice, secure, all set. And that's all trash. And since those are on a Saturn, on the Caliber, I have these style, and they are the same clip, but these ones pull inward instead of outward. A lot of cars use that setup, or they'll come with their different brackets for different cars, like this. Like some of the Chevy trucks use this and stuff like that. So that was pretty quick, very easy to do. Most auto parts stores will throw wipers on for yourself, if you buy them there. And if you get them online or somewhere, really easy to change. So hope you like this little video. Like and subscribe. Till next time.